Video editing tips. Use sound effects in your videos to emphasize certain things. It actually works much better on shorter videos like for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, but it actually works pretty well on longer videos as well. So for example, if you're doing some kind of transitions or maybe like finishing the sentence or you are starting a new sentence, you want to use the sound effects as some type of punctuation. Basically, if you are doing a transition, you can do a swoosh sound or you can do a drum sound if you want to emphasize some type of dramatic moment in your videos. Like I'm doing in my videos right now. You might not think about them directly, but subconsciously, they're actually forcing you to stay and watch the videos. So use sound effects in your videos because they're actually very available on the internet and you can find a bunch of them all over the web.